all the world's a story, or is it a stage? Either way, it's a financial journey, and we all have an important part to play. Piggy Bank Theater is an interactive storytime-based program designed for children aged 3 to 8. The program is recommended for audience members who are pre-readers or early readers, ideally with some language skills. This interactive twist on traditional storytelling follows the journey of 3 characters as they turn their childhood passions into successful careers, teaching the audience about financial decision-making. Throughout the story, audience members participate by raising a paddle when a character earns or spends money, or by signaling the facilitator to save money in the piggy bank. Looking in the game box, you will find a large spiral-bound book, a facilitator script, instructions, a piggy bank, 12 fake coins, and earn and spend paddles. If you have more than 12 kids, you can create additional paddles using a download from the website. Just print them out, have the kids color them if they'd like, and paste them onto paper plates with popsicle stick handles. The storybook is designed to be user-friendly for you, the librarian. It should be held up like a flip book. On the front side, you will see the story for the children to view, and when you flip it on over, there's going to be your script on the right-hand side and a small thumbnail photo of the image that they are seeing on the other side. For a warm-up activity, you might sing a song. It is called Shake Shake My Piggy Bank. It's an original song about saving money. The Thinking Money for Kids website includes the lyrics as well as a link to the audio and video files for the song. Before you begin reading the storybook, pass out the paddles to each child or family and use the facilitator script to explain how the audience should use them. Every time a character spends or earns, the kid should hold up the side of the paddle that corresponds to spending or earning and shout out spend or earn. When the character saves, the audience should cue you, the librarian, to drop a coin into your piggy bank. You also might wish to stage a live-action play on the story, with older kids as the actors. You will find the script and projectable background scenes on the Thinking Money for Kids website. A post-storytime debrief and reflection guide is provided in the instructions and in the facilitator script. For this program, I encourage parents to stay in the program room. I like to arrange our storytime carpet at the front of the room and set up a row of chairs for participants who would want to sit. Parents with young children may opt to sit with their child and guide them through the actions of earning, spending, and saving. Parents with older children may choose to sit in the chairs and engage with the story, helping their children when needed.